anchovies. Served with a fresh plate of salad. Let's squeeze some milk, the juice, and enjoy. Let me see how crispy are they.